Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. Okay you guys, so I'm super excited about this video because my homegirl from YouTube sent me these products from her new cosmetic line, all dolled up cosmetics. I really am excited to try these. So we're gonna do a makeup look and we're gonna show you all the goodies that she sent me. But before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you kiss that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Like this video all the way up, y'all, and then comment and share all of that. Okay guys, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so as I said, the name of this cosmetic company is All Dolled Up Cosmetics and it's owned by Dolly Roman, who is actually here on YouTube. And she decided to start her own makeup company. Very, very cute. I'm loving what I see so far. So I'm going to show you guys. So everything came in this organza bag. So I'm just going to open this up really quick. And it comes with a stack. Now this is a PR stack. All of these glitters you can buy, but the stack I believe is only for PR. And here are the colors of it. Here are the colors. I know you can't see the labels too good, but they're all some type of form of pink. This is like this is baby spice. This is icy. This is really pretty. This is, oh, I can't read. Diamonds. This is Roman. This is Princess, and this last one is Pink Print on the bottom. So these are really, really cute. So we're definitely going to do a look with some glitter today because she sent glitters. Okay, so then she sent me a pair of lashes. This is how the lashes come. These are 25mm lashes, and my nails are in the way, of course, all the time. Just life. And these are the lashes. These are how they look. Super cute, you guys. These are 25mm lashes. So I don't think I've ever had 25. I think I might have. I don't know. And then it comes with a lip gloss and then a hair clip. So we're gonna of course use the hair clip. This is the lip gloss. Very pink. But it looks like it comes off clear. Okay, we're gonna use that today. Here is the hair clip. It says Hustle. I love this. And I love the fact that it's a gold background instead of silver. I'm a gold type of person, so you know that's better for me, honey. I'll figure it out when I'll figure it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, since this is basically an eye and lip base moment, you guys have seen me do my makeup mad times before. I hope. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe so you can check out all my makeup videos. But I'm gonna quickly run through the base of my makeup and then come back and we'll do some eyes or whatever like that. Okay, so we gonna be right here. We gonna be right back. We gonna be right back. We gonna be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back. Why do I have to always be so extra? Anyway, so we're gonna start with the eyes. I didn't really pick a palette, but I do have my Morphe 35M Boss Mood. So we're gonna just go in with that because that's what we have in front of us. Yeah. So I'm going in with my P. Louise base. I'm actually not going to talk through. I don't know why I'm talking, but I'm really not going to do that, so. Yeah, so we're going to voice over this, sis. So I'm using my P. Louise base, and this is the Rumored #2, and I'm just using this to prime my lids. This, I love the P. Louise base. Like, it's just lit. So I'm going in with my Morphe Boss palette, and I'm just going to use that orange shade. This is going to be the first color. I guess I'm just a little bit inspired by my shirt a little bit with these colors, because I didn't know what to do. Child, I'm just trying to get to the glitter. Okay, so I'm now using that reddish pinkish color, and I'm just going to use that on top of that orange, and we're just gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna go back in with the orange and blend that again. That's how I blend. I go back and forth with every color and just keep blending it out. As you can see now, it gives a gradient when you continue to do that. So just a little bit of a tip, make sure you're ready to go in over. That's why I'm doing eyeshadow every day, because you just be blended. So now I'm putting the purple, and this is just a shade to deepen out my crease, and I thought it would be nice against the pinks that I had in this whatchamacallit. Whatchamacallit. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut my crease, and then I'm just adding that purple in the outer V of my eye. And then I'm actually going to grab my P. Louise base after I do this under eye, my number 7 P. Louise base. This is what I use to do my brows. And this is just going to clean up that V and just give me a nice, like, sharp kind of line. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If he had let him go, any, mini, miny, mo. Okay, yeah. So that was that. That's what we're going in with. So now that's the pigment I'm using. So I'm just going with my eyelash glue, and I'm just going to start pressing that pigment into my eyelid. And probably should have used the other one, but any, mini, miny, mo one. So it is what it is. We're just pressing that in the eyelid. You already know. I actually love these pigments. They're gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. Go back and do my whole face, all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna come back on camera to you guys. Okay, guys, I never put lashes on, but I just wanted to come and tell you guys. I mean, I never put lashes on camera, but I came to tell you guys that I'm about to put my lashes on. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. I make the ugliest lash faces. So I'm pulling off one lash here. Oh my god, these are so long, I'm afraid. Okay. These are gonna definitely kiss the eyebrows. I like that they're wispy and not super thick, very light. That's how they're gonna look. So, we about to fly away, sis. I'm just trying to make sure that this part goes down, because when it doesn't, it just like that straight line moment, it just isn't cute. And I like it to kind of come up on that side, if it makes sense. I don't like to bring it down a little bit because of the almond shape of my eyes. I want it to give like this kind of, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? That accent is horrible. I am sorry to you guys who have that accent. I am not good at switching accents. I could either do New York or Liberia. That's all I got for you. Okay, a rarity. You just saw me do my lashes on camera. A rarity. Okay, this is a rare sight to see, you guys. Reese LaFleur does her own lashes on camera, like in the wildlife. No. All right, so now for lips. Now I'm not too sure. I think I want to do a little bit of color on the lips, so I'm gonna go with my Ramona Joan Cosmetics. I still want to do a little bit. I don't even want to take it all the way around. Like, I want that dark concealer to kind of be there. And it kind of gives me like this moment. I can't explain it, but this just how I do it when I'm doing like a lighter color. I never do too much, sis. Never do too much. With the lip gloss from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. Today's feature of the day. Very smooth, very light. It's like very buttery, but all in all, I like. Okay.